Now we're going to do the basic movement, 10-point blocking. Open, left foot move, and this is the way a beginner moves. 10-point blocking is the first thing we teach in the system. You're going to step with the left foot out, kia, height, horse stance. Knees are out, again, and crouch. First movement is 1, downward block, 2, double, middle block, hands in, push, 3, over the head, chop, 4. Then from here to the left, 5, then open up and strike, hands in solar flex. Under the table, strike with the kokengeri, this area, strike. Then move in here, big block, inhale, strike. Set yourself up, and then scoop in, only the left foot move, down, to the side, bow, 10-point block.